Hello there. Today it's cold, wet and windy, but that won't stop me showing you how to place the side light bulb on a Vauxhall Corsa D. Anyway, the first thing we need to do is trawl through my collection of spare bulbs and make sure we have a suitable replacement for this car. Otherwise, we're going to have to pop to the shops and that would be a real pain in the neck. So cross your fingers. Oh, hang on. Yep, we're a bit lucky. I can see exactly what we need just down there. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Okay, this is the particular Vauxhall Corsa we're working on today. We need to change the side light bulb in the left headlamp, that one there. And the bulb is easy enough to spot. It's in the top corner, all the way up there. Can you see that? So what we need to do now is open the bonnet. Next, we need to remove the bulb socket from the headlamp. So remember, the bulb is about there. So if we look behind that area, we can see the socket, and it is that black thing there. Now, to remove that socket, we need to turn it very slightly anti-clockwise and then pull back that way towards the windscreen. So turn the socket just slightly anti-clockwise, like so, and then pull it backwards, and out it pops. There we go. Right, now we have the socket and bulb in hand, and to separate them we simply pull them apart, something like that. Now, as for what type of new bulb you need to purchase, it's written here on the back of the socket. Where's it gone? There we are, it's just there at the end of my finger. Can you see that? It says W21 5 watt, so that's what you need to purchase. And while you're here, just have a look at this rubber ring that goes around this socket. This is a weather seal. Just check that's in decent condition because, well, you don't want water getting into your headlamp. This one looks fine. Look at the weather, it's absolutely pouring it down, but never mind, we shall continue. And as you might expect, to insert the new bulb is simply a case of do the reverse of what I've already shown you. Right, let's now check the new bulb is working, which it is. We can see it shining there through the raindrops, but irritatingly, I have just noticed that the exact same bulb has blown on the other side of the car, so I'll have to fix that too. Anyway, just one final tip if you do this job. Don't do what I did when you remove the bulb socket and accidentally drop it deep down in the engine bay, because then you'll have to get a magnet on the end of a telescopic wand and spend 5 minutes fishing down there trying to retrieve it. That was fun. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. Do me a favour and click like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully, when it's not raining. Farewell!